this straight. You're telling me you don't sand your Crocs down before you bedazzle them? You don't sand your Crocs down before you start customizing them? Why they falling apart. One of them videos where I'm just gonna get on y'all because ain't no way. It's a game changer, and I charge people, by the way, for this information. So if you don't save this video, share it with your best friends so y'all can create some custom Crocs. I don't know what to tell you, because when you come over here after this video, I'm charging you. So listen up. So let me tell y'all, this is my best friend. One of these drills about a year ago or 2 years ago was definitely a game changer. There's people that use sandpaper, and that's cool, but I like working smarter and not harder. Little hands be working, so if I can find something that will go easier and faster and more efficient, sign me up. This drill is located on my Amazon storefront. Left those details in the description. My first one was orange, but this one, I had to get a pink one when I seen the pink. Now this drill is powerful, and I love power because the power gets the job done. When y'all be asking me why I use this instead of sandpaper, make it make sense. This bad boy is stronger than any of the rolls you got on your nightstand. Now the essentials. Goggles to protect your eyes because the particles be flying everywhere. Rubbing alcohol. Use rubbing alcohol after we sand the shoes down. That's how we clean them. This is what your shoes should be looking like before you put any amount of rhinestone, a bling, a glitter, anything. The thing is, when it comes to Crocs, they're rubber. You see how shiny the shoe is? Hear how bad that shoe is after you bling them and customize them. Stones and them rhinestones is eventually going to fall off, if not immediately. For people that's charging y'all hundreds of dollars and do not do this or don't even know why to do this, so y'all better watch who y'all ordering stuff from. And you should be coming over here anyway, you know. I never pressure nobody. Just come on over when you ready. I'm telling you ladies, it's a whole game changer, and a lot of people is not telling you this. I'm showing you a quick review of how I use the drill. I mean, it's so powerful, you really rarely have to hold it. It will say, be careful because the drill is so powerful. Don't. It's powerful, so you could easily hurt yourself. So please be mindful and be careful. I just do it. I drill around the sides, I drill around the edges, wherever you are bedazzling, rhinestoning, adding crystals to charms, all that. You need to make sure that you roughen up the surface. For anything that you are putting rhinestones on, the surface has to stick. And when it comes to rubber, it's hard to stay on because it's easy to peel off. Believe me, I know. Growing a business is all try and error. That's when I say, when you finally get that shit right, you charge your worth. No one understands how many times you messed up, any failed attempts you had, all that. So when you finally get it right, you make sure you charge. But before then, make sure you getting it right. I promise you, you're going to need this drill for sure. If you have any questions that I didn't cover in the video, or just have any questions period about custom Crocs or custom phone cases, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. We smile, love on one another, and bling.